Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's explore more about biomarker. Today's topic is how the sponsor, usually is the pharmaceutical company, choose where to go, who will the PI they want to work with to set up their clinical trial. So understand it as a clinical trial site selection. How do we select them? Before that, just so you know, all my genius ideas just simply my take on things I've ever read or I've come across. If you see things differently, you are absolutely right with your awesome perspectives. Feel free to leave a comment to have a chat with me, and I love to connect with different people. Part of my goal of this channel is to make friends in this clinical biomarker space so we can learn from each other. Last but not least, all the material in this video is public available. First of all, this function is usually fulfilled by a clinical operational group. Our ClinOps college needs to understand the hard requirement for the site or the principal investigators, like what is the therapeutic area, what's the expertise, or the year of experience. Think about the need of the specific sets of skill, like finding a doctor at your own way. Usually, the medical director of a clinical trial, or we can easily understand who actually signed the clinical protocol. He or she is the disease expert of the interest. As we like to call them, the medical masterminds. They know who's on the table. They might recommend the key opinion leaders as well. They are usually willing to leverage their own connection. So the sponsor, so-called pharmaceutical company, usually have a list of potential sites as well from the previous study. Then also the trial management CRO comes with their own recommendation from their working history as well, all will adding to the mix. From these free resources, Clean Ops College usually able to develop a basic site list of potential hospitals or PI. It is likely assembling the Avengers, but with more lab costs. In addition, patient advocacy groups play a crucial role as well. In some cases, in rare diseases, where we might only have 500 patients in the entire US, knowing where they are and which hospital they usually visit is the essential for a successful trial setup as well. Next, once you will have the list, Clinical Op College will contact the site via referral phone call, email, as different way as you can imagine. And after have the initial agreement with the PI, after signing the confidential agreement, we share the protocol and other documents. One of the most important documents is called feasibility survey. This survey gives us a lowdown on the facility, the site setup, etc., as well as their enrollment target. Basically, that's everything we need to know, but of course, we don't need to know the color of the doctor's office. Based on this feedback, the sponsor may decide to send a CRA, which is the Clinical Research Associate, on site to conduct the site initial visit. This is the clinical trial equivalent of the first date, where we figure out if we are a match, make in the heavens, or we should keep swiping left. It's so simple, right? Finally, with all this information, we will know if the site is ready to be included in our specific clinical trial. After that, my friend, this is how we roll out the red carpet for our clinical trial site. And this is come with the end of the video today. We have learned about biomarker. Feel free to leave comment, like, or follow. Thank you for your time.